Shiba Inu whale activity has increased by 454% the last 24 hours. Something very big is about to take place for Shiba Inu. We need to talk about it in this video. So make sure if you guys love Shiba Inu or hold cryptos, you give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. We also are seeing a massive weekly burn rate rising, and this is sparking optimism for the next major price targets of 301. So 0.0001, which is a massive move from our current level. If we also go to the crypto charts, we could see Uniswap is up 51% today. And there was just some Uniswap news, so that's why Uniswap is up massively. It's also pushing the crypto market up. Another thing that's really pushing up the crypto market is Nvidia stock. This thing is at $800. It just surpassed a $2 trillion market cap, which is one of the biggest things in our economy. The Nvidia company, this company is like the biggest factor in the US economy. Very interesting. And because there was really good earnings, it's pushed up the stock market. It's pushed up the crypto market up massively. The stock market just made all-time highs on the last day because of this. But if we go to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is at support. It's holding at support. As long as we hold above support, it's very bullish. But if Bitcoin breaks below the support, which is around 50,600, we start breaking under here, holding under here, we're going to correct to about 48 to maybe 46,000, which from our current level, and this is just for Bitcoin, around a 10% correction. From the top to bottom, about a 10% correction. If we take a look at Shiba Inu is essentially green on the day, and it is just kind of holding, it's consolidating, not making any significant big moves, while we are seeing this massive increase in whale activity. If whales are making a massive increase in activity and they are moving $110 million in the last 24 hours, seeing 34 large transactions, each more than $100,000, it shows us that somebody has some inside information, somebody knows something that is going on. And we are also seeing that based on a lot of statistics and things that are happening in the blockchain, that holders for Shiba Inu are very long-term minded, which is a very bullish thing. You don't want people short-term minded. And a lot of holders of Shiba Inu are underwater, so they're going to continue to hold. But what's really going to propel the price of Shiba Inu is new investors. We are seeing a record number of new wallets for Shiba Inu, new holders. Every single month it's growing, it's increasingly growing. But what's really going to propel Shiba Inu to those crazy price targets is when retail investors start coming back. The retail investors, they're not here right now. They are not here right now. We're also seeing the weekly burn rate is continuing to surge up 75% this week. That's very bullish, but let me show you something. If we go to Google Trends here and we just type in the term crypto and we do the past 5 years, we can see this is the search volume for crypto. It's starting to come back up. It's starting to push up here, which is a very bullish sign, by the way. But look at this. At the previous all-time high, 2021, this is when the search volume was up massively. And this is when Shiba Inu was spiking, 2022, around these time periods. So this is when retail investors are searching, they're buying cryptos. We're barely getting them right now, and they're starting to flow in. When the search volume starts to pop up, that's when Shiba Inu is going to make those 50% pumps, 100% pumps, 200% pumps, 500% pumps. But from our current level, it doesn't really matter much of what Shiba Inu does, whether it crashes 5% or 10%. It's not a big deal, because when retail investors start to come back in, you are going to see insane profits. So don't give up. We are almost there. We are just getting there. Do not give up. This is not the time to give up. Now, me and the people on my Patreon are making thousands of dollars every single week by following my signals to long and short cryptos. We just made a massive trade this morning. And we're also buying and selling coins that make huge gains in short periods of time. If you guys want to have access to that, join the Patreon. You're going to get constant market updates to know when to buy, when to sell, when to get out. It's incredibly worth it. In addition to that, you need to be using Algosniper, which tells you exactly for any coin when to buy, when to sell. Look at this. It gave us a buy alert for Matic at the very bottom here. It pumped up 50% and it just gave us a sell alert. If you'd be following the alerts that Algosniper gives you, you can watch the tutorial on the website. It's going to show you exactly how to use the indicator. You will make insane gains as well. And you guys can try it today for just $1 at algosniper.com. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.